Hey guys, this is Kink455. I got my Kink launch today, and I'm gonna do a bike check. The frame is 100% high 10 frame. Right here. Kink Volt 2 chromaly steer forks right here. Kink 8 Midtown high 10 bars. They're pretty nice. They're sturdy. They're nice. Nice handlebars. Mission Paramount stem. Pretty cool actually. It's nice. Yep. And has that, it's not a sticker, it's like graffiti. It's a, what's it called? The Mission Line linear cable. Purple cable. This is the Kenna Contact tires. See that? They're pretty nice. The Mission rim. Purple rim. Then we got Mission seat. We got a Mission Eco front hub. Then we got Mission Triumph cranks right there. Don't know what this pedals are. Then we got the Mission seat clamp. Then we got the same Mission back tire. Then we got the Mission rim. It's $100. Then we got the Mission chippy, whatever it is, crank. And we don't know what, I don't even know what the chain is. We got Mission grips. They're nice grips. It's a nice bike. It's really nice. Just got it this morning at 10 o'clock. Got it from Purple and Black. I suggest it. It's really good. It's light. It's 24.5 pounds. Yeah, so it's my bike. Kink launch. It's $309. Yeah, so I suggest it. It's a really good bike, and hope you get it. Yep, it comes with a kickstand, but I'm gonna take it off professionally. I'm gonna get a guy to take it off, and that's my bike.